In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a clip in CapCut. Let's get started by opening CapCut. You can use either the web version in your browser or the desktop or mobile app. The interface is very similar, and the process we'll cover works across them. Once you're in, head to your workspace so you can start a fresh edit. Create a new project and choose the 16:9 canvas. This widescreen aspect ratio is the default for YouTube and most desktop playback, so it's a safe choice for general video editing. If your project is meant for another platform, you can always change the aspect ratio later, but for this tutorial we'll stick with 16:9 so everything matches up nicely. Now, add your video. You can import media from your device and then drag it onto the timeline, or use the built-in media picker if you already see your clip in the library. Make sure the clip is sitting on the main video track so it's easy to select and work with. You'll know it's selected when it's highlighted and the edges show handles. There are two ways to duplicate the clip, and both are quick. Use whichever feels most natural to you. First method, right-click the clip directly on the timeline and choose Duplicate. As soon as you select that option, CapCut creates a copy of the selected clip. You'll see the duplicate appear on the same track, usually right next to the original, so it's easy to spot. From there, you can drag the duplicate to a new position if you want to repeat a moment later in your video or build a simple loop. This method is great if you prefer using the mouse and like seeing the option in the context menu. Second method, use the keyboard shortcut. With the clip still selected, press Ctrl+D. This instantly creates a duplicate of the selected clip in the timeline. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is typically Command+D. Keyboard shortcuts are ideal when you want to create multiple duplicates quickly. Just keep the clip selected and press the shortcut as many times as you need. If you make a mistake, remember you can undo with Ctrl+Z or Command+Z. That's it. Open CapCut. Start a new 16:9 project. Add your video. Then duplicate by right-clicking and choosing Duplicate, or by pressing Ctrl+D. With these two approaches, you can repeat moments, extend sequences, or create patterns in just a few clicks. Thanks for watching and happy editing.